Fruit of the Womb by Gontor. Human life is beautiful and precious, and it's because of the woman. They will give birth to new human beings in the future. This is the work of Mother Earth to birth the children of tomorrow. By the blessings of Eve, Sarah, Rachel, Naomi, Mary, and Elizabeth, the mothers will give their wisdom, knowledge, and guidance to a better path in the future. This is the work of Mother Earth for bringing new life to the world. Sometimes, human life is precious because man and woman give life to their offspring through sexual union. Mothers feel the pain of childbirth and when a baby cries because she is welcomed to a world of life and existence. We humans are mammals, and mammals are different from birds. Mammals directly give birth to their younger ones. Birds lay eggs. They then warm these eggs and take care of them in their nest until the eggs hatch and the young ones are born. Those 8 pregnant women give birth to their children with extraordinary abilities. They are just ordinary single mothers, widowers, and wives preparing children for the future. A secret former government organization, Project Elethea, is named after the Greek goddess of childbirth and midwifery, secretly covered as a maternity health program from various corners of the globe for the health and well-being of every mother expecting a baby. The pregnant women are captured by a secret organization that wants to use their gifts for corrupt purposes. They want to experiment with women and their children to unlock their full potential. Led by their devious leader, who is driven by a desire to harness and control these extraordinary abilities to reshape the world by starting World War III. These women are believed to be carrying unborn babies with the potential for superhuman powers. The mothers and their babies have lateral superhuman abilities inside their genetic structures because their relatives or ancestors have capabilities. The mothers and babies could inherit similar or related superpowers from their superpowered relatives or ancestors. The mothers and babies could exhibit various superhuman abilities depending on the range of superpowers their relatives or ancestors possessed. This could lead to a diverse and unique set of powers within the population. Those young women are carrying human life that will change the world forever. They will go through difficult births and complications of pregnancy because of their abilities and genetic experimenting by immoral scientists. They carry out their plan by hiring obstetricians and geneticists by lying about the true intentions behind the organization's secret project. The mothers confront their vulnerabilities and struggles, fostering a sense of unity and purpose that empowers them to save their babies and escape this prison. Each of the mothers has their own personal stakes and motivations and deeply mistrusts government organizations' relentless pursuit of truth and justice. They are determined to save themselves and their unborn children from the clutches of this corrupt organization. As they delve deeper into the organization's secrets, they uncover a sinister truth: their plans to exploit the superhuman abilities of these unborn babies for their own personal gains. The mothers and babies have lateral superhuman abilities within their genetic structures due to their relatives or ancestors having superpowers. The genetic systems of the mothers and babies have been modified to contain superhuman abilities, which could indicate a deliberate attempt to pass down these powers through genetic engineering. The presence of superhuman abilities within the genetic structures of the mothers and babies suggests a potential for evolutionary advancement. Future generations may be more likely to inherit these powers, leading to a population with widespread superhuman abilities. The implications of manipulating extraordinary abilities in pursuit of control will be immoral and cruel. Genetic modifications to confer superhuman abilities are beyond current scientific capabilities. The mothers and babies have lateral superhuman abilities within their genetic structures because their relatives or ancient ancestors have powers. The genetic systems of these mothers and babies could contain dormant genes that were passed down from their superpowered relatives or ancient ancestors. These genes could be activated under certain circumstances or triggers, unlocking their superhuman abilities. The presence of superpowers within the genetic structures suggests that these abilities could have evolved over time. This could indicate a selective advantage for individuals with superhuman skills, enabling them to survive and pass on their genes to future generations. Depending on the powers their superpowered relatives or ancient ancestors possessed, the mothers and babies could manifest a wide range of superhuman abilities. Possessing superhuman abilities could create a sense of heritage and lineage among these individuals. They might have a shared history and a special connection to their ancestors, leading to a deeper understanding and exploration of their powers. The presence of lateral superhuman abilities likely results in the emergence of a new society. It would also introduce new challenges, such as maintaining a balance of power and preventing misuse. They are experimenting with the woman's fetus and the newborn babies through genetic engineering and biophysics. They tried to expose its shady operations to the world. The authorities will be ignored because of the corruption of society. The children will usher in a new generation and use their gifts to save the world. One day, the existence of superpowers will be revealed and create a new society of minorities by the mothers and the children. They may form communities or organizations to support each other and explore their abilities. This is a bond of family and friendship. All life is precious and has a purpose on this earth.